Driving school on Tilden Avenue, Brooklyn, New York. This has been with Pierre Driving School. These are the few areas that we cover here in New York City. Tilden Avenue, if you live in the area, you want Pierre Driving School to help you. So we can definitely help you with all your driving. We're going to cover a few left and right. Things that are expected of us when we're doing our driving lesson. We can be doing mirror right, shoulder right, and make the turn, okay? This is Tilden Avenue, Brooklyn, New York, of which we cover here in the driving school. Both hands on this steering wheel. Pay attention to the traffic, all right? I'm already seeing that the next light is blinking, so I'm not gonna do anything extra so I don't get caught up in the driving. You see how far I'm looking ahead? Okay, I've already seen that I'm not gonna do anything extra, covering my brake. Coming to a nice and smooth stop. See, folks? Yes. Whatever you do, always forward planning all your moves. All right. This is Tilden Avenue, Brooklyn, New York. This lesson we cover in here. This has been with Pierre Driving School. Anything, any area, anything you want me to cover in particular, put it in the comment below. We cover the left and right and show you things that are expected from you when you're doing your driving lesson. You know what to do, and specifically, we show you if you tips and tricks that kind of benefit from you, not only to be able to get a better understanding on your driving road test, and also to help you better driving when you drive by yourself. Because remember, the real lesson start on the day after you pass your road test. Then you're gonna have to make decision by yourself. Both in, okay, the car in front of us cut us off because we have the right of way because we're going straight. Okay, yeah. Both hands on the steering wheel here. All right. Going on straight across. This is Tilden Avenue, Brooklyn, New York. We're doing a driving lesson. We cover those areas as well. Pierre Driving School, here we cover those places, all right? I'm seeing ahead here. Gonna make a right turn at this traffic light coming up. Signal the turn, mirror right, shoulder right, and go with the turn. This is traffic moving on my right side. Right turn at the light. All right, shoulder right, go to my turn, fall right into lanes. Traffic light coming up, we're making a right turn. I'm gonna signal left first, mirror left, shoulder left to clear the left. Then I'm gonna signal right, mirror right, shoulder right to see that. And I'm making my turn, fall to the closest right lane. Fall to the closest right lane. At the traffic light coming up, we're gonna make a right turn, a left turn. Since you're on the right lane, we have to signal left, mirror left, shoulder left, go over, then prepare up to make the left turn here on Tilden Avenue. This is a driving lesson on Tilden Avenue, Brooklyn, New York, of which we cover here as well. In New York City, we're not gonna wash to the light, okay? Because yellow light, you see? Yellow light is not for student. You do not wanna be running yellow light while you're doing your road test, okay? You don't know wash, paying attention. Okay? See how much I'm paying attention here? And when I'm ready to move the car, I'm going to check my mirror left, shoulder left, and make my turn and fall right into place. Mirror left. I'm going to go for my turn. When I get there, mirror left, shoulder left, and make my turn here and continue to drive. All right, folks, nice and easy, nothing extra. You know, you do what you know, what you're trained to do. All right, at Pierre Driving School, that's what we do. We train you, give you things that you need to not only be safe and also deliver to the highest of your performance, because we show you things thereof to do. If you want our team instructor to help you, check out pierrepaul.driving.com. Okay, we're going straight across. I'm already seeing my light is blinking. Do I have enough room? Yes, I do. Okay. Right, I'm going over. Nice and easy. Okay. Good. Yes, folks. This Tilden Avenue, Brooklyn, New York is an area that Pierre Driving School we cover. If you need any help in that area, any help, you live in the area, we do pick up for those areas as well, so we can help you get prepared to pass your road test and definitely to be a safe driver on the road. All right. I'll pull over somewhere here. We're making a right turn at this traffic light. You're all right. Shoulder right and make the turn. Until then, folks, keep practicing. This is Benny with Pierre Driving School. Take care now. Bye-bye. Let's do pull over here. So much I'm checking the mirror, folks. Cannot go around those, okay? Keep practicing. They park better. Take care now, folks. Bye-bye. This has been here with Pierre Driving School. Anything you want me to do in particular, put in the comment below. Until then, keep practicing. Thank you.